If it's not Paula, Paulette, or Pauline, we're going to need suggestions. Because Tina's name that she have so far like some Ellie Mae, something like
Come,
that.
no.
I'm Roses are red, violets are blue. Tina is the queen in King Paul's castle. I said, we are a match like butter and bread, mac and cheese. We are much like butter and bread, mac and cheese, bulla and pear, dirty clothes and breeze. Gratitude is a must. Yes, of course, I agree. Tina is the cream to my black coffee.
Okay.
I need to work on the lyrics.
It's a really nice afternoon for a walk up, babe. Cool, sunny, but not hot. Hi guys, so we're taking a nice little walk today.
She can't walk very fast, by the way. Her top speed is like turtle speed.
Leave me alone. Yeah, well that's true because basically it's getting to that time. Last couple of days I've been in bed a lot. Baby's getting very heavy. One of them has taken to sleeping on my bladder. The next one,
Nice and warm there. Must be warm.
the next one likes to take up space under my ribs, so it's hard to like breathe because she's competing with space with my lungs for space. So that's kind of rough, but so far, thank God, we haven't had any major issues. Both myself and the babies, based on the doctor's visits we've had so far, we've been keeping pretty well. No major issues, no issues, no really, thank God for that. And we hope it stays that way. We are 28 weeks this week, so we have another 9 to maybe 11 or 12 weeks left to go. We're hoping for that. So just go and keep us in prayers, yeah? So we'll make it. We don't want them come too early. Honestly, we have been slow to prepare this time around. I guess, why do you think that is?
I don't think so, because we have a lot of stuff from the time before. The first
Yeah,
time we had to be buying a whole lot.
Yeah, we have the stroller this time, the car seats. We have
twin pillows, we have
the twin nursing pillows, which have become basically invaluable, or had become. We have
a lot of clothes.
Yeah, but we need some new
We're
clothes.
going to need clothes, but
Especially the
point is
ones
we're not starting from scratch.
Yeah, we're not starting from scratch, but our preparations will start a little later than they did the last time with Leila and Zara. We don't have names yet.
That's why we're here today. That's our primary thing for today. So Paula, Paulette, Pauline, I know you like it. Let's just move on.
Let's not. So the last time, what happened? What happened was, I decided on some names. Paul never like none of the name them when me choose. But him never suggest no name, right? Him never have no name. This time around, it would look like so we're following the same trend, because Paul, let me tell you something, people. Paul had his boy names. Paul had his boy names ready.
I actually still have the boy names ready. So it's Joshua and Daniel, or she likes David.
I like David. I've always liked the name
Joshua
David.
is a must. He's like a real Bible hero.
So is David. So is Daniel.
Like Iron Man in the Bible.
Yes, Joshua. I love the name Joshua too. But As far as we know, we're having girls, babe.
As far as man knows, we're having girls. But we
Okay.
serve a God.
All right.
So let them
Yes.
start.
Amen. Amen and amen. But the last time we ended up using the names that I had in my pocket because we never had any other names really.
And they are nice names. So I said, you know what, Layla, Zara, they had nice meanings. They have nice meanings. So this time it's my turn, which is why if it's not Paula, Pauletta, or Pauline, we're going to need suggestions. Because Tina's name that she has so far, like some Ellie Mae, something
Come,
like
no.
that. I'm sure her names are Ellie Mae.
Listen, that no, I don't have no name
Alright,
named Ellie Mae.
let me hear it.
Anyway, come walk a little bit more. I want to enjoy my walk still. Me never have no name named Ellie Mae plan. I like very classic.
Let me hear it. Let them hear it. What were you saying?
So as I was saying, I like classic names. I like timeless names. So I like
Classic and timeless are synonyms for old.
so my names that I like. That's
Tell them Ellie Mae kind of
It's
name.
not Ellie
Tell
Mae.
them the
It's
name.
Maya or Maya Rose, right? And
Maya Rose.
Maya Rose.
Alright.
And Isla, Ayla. They both.
You hear that collective gasp?
What's wrong with Isla? Isla is very, very modern, very classic, very feminine. I like feminine names, guys. So Hannah, Layla, Zara, we have a thing going on because to me that's, very
Tina.
pretty.
Right, so the Tina, Hannah, Layla, Zara, Paula.
No.
Yeah, so I'm on board with the A end with the A ending. I'm on board with the A ending, but for Maya.
Okay, Maya.
Maya.
If you don't like the pronunciation, Maya, because I like the spelling.
What about having similar names?
What do you mean similar names?
Like twin names, like
Rhyming names?
not necessarily rhyming, like twin names like Christina and
Paulina?
no man, something closer.
Like what? Like Aisha and Anita. Is it like that?
Yeah, something like that. Something matching.
Matching as in them start with A?
Yeah, that's just similar, like
Or them sound
Daniela, Gabriela,
okay.
something like that.
I did suggest Daniela and Gabriela and you didn't like those.
So maybe that's in
You were asked your whims, if we're back in if we're back in the 2000s or whatever.
Alright, so
We can't please this brother here,
basically
so
we need help because we're at odds, like always.
but you're not giving them
on the
any names. You're not
I'm not
suggesting
giving them
any names.
I'm not giving them names. We're asking you to help us by suggesting names in the comments below.
And tell us if you like what I am suggesting as the names Maya and Isla.
Anyway, please give
I like the spelling I like for Maya is the one that goes Maia. I like that. It's pretty. And I can hyphenate it. Maya Rose.
So
Isn't that pretty?
Can I ask them to help us now?
Okay.
Alright, so we need your help. Let us know in the comments below what your twin names are. And include a pair of boy names. Don't forget, you never know what the next ultrasound will bring. You never know.
Yeah.
Right?
Right. It's still a possibility. Yeah.
So even though I think we'll have the boy names down. So let me know what you think for the girl names. If it's one name, drop it down. If it's two names, drop it down there as well. So we can get this show going.
We want you to send us the comments because on Saturday, for Saturday's vlog, we want to say a little bit about the names that you guys have suggested and say which ones we like and which ones we're considering using.
Right.
So, yeah, drop the comments, guys.
I'm nervous.
Me too.
Well, yeah, please.
We know you guys will do great.
Yeah,
We know you'll suggest beautiful names for our beautiful girls, right? Yeah.
Or boys.
Or boys. So if you like the video, guys, give us a thumbs up.
And just keep the comments coming. All the names, if you have 10 pair of names, let it roll.
Yep.
And we'll talk about it on Saturday. Always good to talk to you. And until next time, big up from
Yan my house.
Love you later.